Junior. We meet again, my dear. Is that so? What a coincidence. Did I ever tell you? I like how adorable you look when you're serious. Which is precisely the problem. She loves you, you know. But love is a curse, a trap, something cold and damp that seeps into your bones. Love will be the end of me. Oopsie. Seems like I've said too much. But me? I just want to live. Oh, you mean that naive, sweet girl who's always ready to sacrifice herself for others? The one who never says no, no matter what? Tell me, do you want me to be her? She hides under that perfect, obedient mask. The one she refuses to admit exists. If she's the light, then I'm her shadow. I never expected you'd be the hardest to let go of. My strength's almost depleted. I probably won't be able to see you like this again. Not as bad as it sounds. In a way, I'm just about to become one with her. Like I said, we can only live with her alive.